In this tutorial, we will cover the platform's top navigation bar. Starting from the left, we have a menu button that can toggle the left side menu to collapse and expand. This menu contains all the essential panels for building a complete application from start to end, including dashboard, my app, and other panels we'll cover later on. Then we have a search bar that can be used for finding various panels, subpanels, and tools available on the platform. We can also search products and categories created by the user. The Help button activates a pop-up which directs the user to VirtuBox's support page for referring documentation whenever needed. Next, the How To button toggles a drop-down with diverse options of frequently answered questions with built-in searching capabilities for ease of use. The Account info bar displays user details and the option to go back to the home page or log out of the current session. From the home page, we can access all of our apps and manage them with a single account. Finally, there is another menu button which toggles the right side menu, which contains quick links to the home page and to log out, as well as support details like official email and phone number. That's it for the navigation bar, so we can move on to the basic dashboard statistics. Like, subscribe, and share the video if you found this helpful. Leave a comment below if you have any queries or send an inquiry to hello@virtubox.io.